Welcome to Flourish in Math class. Our topic today is addition and subtraction of fraction with unlike denominator. Please check my channel for addition and subtraction of fraction with like denominator. Now we have 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. So here we want to find the least common denominator between 3 and 2. And the least common denominator is 6. So now we multiply the first fraction 1 over 3 by 2. So we can get the denominator to be 6 and 1 over 2 by 3. So now we have 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6. Now they have the same denominator. We can add the numerator. That is 2 plus 3 over 6. And that is 5 over 6. So 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2 is 5 over 6. Another example here is 2 over 5 plus 3 over 7. The least common denominator, LCD, is 35. And that is 5 times 7. So now we want to make these fractions have the same denominator. So we have 2 over 5 multiplied by 7. So we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 7 in order to have the denominator to be 35. So we have 3 over 7 multiplied by 5. And so we have 14 over 35 plus 15 over 35. Now they have the same denominator, we can add the numerator. So we have 14 plus 15 over 35. And this is 29 over 35. So 2 over 5 plus 3 over 7 is 29 over 35. So here is another example, 2 over 5 minus 1 over 4. The LCD here is 20. So we want to multiply 2 over 5 by 4 and 1 over 4 by 5. So we have 8 over 20 minus 5 over 20. Now they have the same denominator, so we have 8 minus 5 over 20, and that is 3 over 20. So 2 over 5 minus 1 over 4 is 3 over 20. The next example here is 7 minus 9, 7 over 9 minus 2 over 5. The LCD here is 45. That is 9 times 5. So now we multiply 7 over 9 by 5 and 2 over 5. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 9. So we have 35 over 45 minus 18 over 45. And so this gives us 35 minus 18 over 45. And that is 17 over 45. So 7 over 9 minus 2 over 5 is 17 over 45. Now we have 4 whole number 1 over 3 plus 6 whole number 1 over 5. The LCD here is 15. So we multiply 1 over 3 by 5 and multiply 1 over 5 by 3 so that we can have common denominator. So this becomes 4 5 over 15 plus 6 3 over 15. So now we can add the whole number, that is 10. Then 5 plus 3, that is 8 over 15. So 4 1 over 3 plus 6 1 over 5 is 10 8 over 15. Here is another example, 8 5 over 6 plus 3 over 4. Here we look for the LCD of 6 and 4. The least common denominator here is 12 because 6 times 2 is 12 and 4 times 3 is 12. So we want to make sure that this fraction has the same denominator of 12. So we have 8 5 over 6 multiplied by 2, both the numerator and the denominator, plus 3 over 4 multiplied by 3. So our new fraction becomes 8 10 over 12 plus 9 over 12. Now we can add these numbers together. So we have 8 19 over 12. 19 over 12 is an improper fraction. So we need to change 19 over 12 to a mixed number. So 19 over 12 gives us one whole number, 7 over 12. So we will write this as 8 plus 1 7 over 12. And this is 9 7 over 12. Another example here is 4 2 over 3 minus 2 1 over 6. The least common denominator here is 6. So 2 over 3 will multiply by 2, but 1 over 6 remains the same. So we have 4 4 over 6 minus 2 1 over 6. And this becomes 4 minus 2, that is 2, then 3 over 6. So 3 over 6 needs to be reduced to a fraction in the lowest term. So 3 over 6, the greatest common factor is 3. So we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So we have 1 over 2. So the final answer here is 2 whole number 1 over 2. Now we have 9 1 over 2 minus 5 3 over 4. Here the fraction 1 over 2 is less than 3 over 4. So it's not possible for us to subtract those fractions. So we borrow 1 from 9. We borrow one whole number, which means we're borrowing 2 over 2. So now plus 1 over 2 minus 5 3 over 4. So here we have the new mixed number as 8 3 over 2 minus 5 3 over 4. But here the denominator needs to be the same. So the LCD here is 4. So we need to multiply 3 over 2 by 2, and 3 over 4 remains the same. So now we have 8, 6 over 4 minus 5, 3 over 4. And so now we can subtract, that is 3 over 4. And so that would be our final answer. Here we have 13, 7 over 12 minus 7, 4 over 9. The LCD of 12, 9 is 36. And that means 12 times 3 is 36. And 9 times 4 is 36. So we need to multiply the first fraction 7 over 12 by 3, both the numerator and the denominator, and multiply 4 over 9 by 4. So we have 13, 7 over 12 multiplied by 3 minus 7, 4 over 9 multiplied by 4. So we have our new mixed number to be 13, 21 over 36 minus 7, 16 over 36. Now they have the same denominator, so we can subtract the numerator and the whole number. So we have 13 minus 7 is 6. 21 minus 16 is 5. Then over 36. So that would be our final answer, 6, 5 over 36. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. Now I have 6 questions for you to try. Please work them out in your notebook, show to your parents to supervise it for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button